Today's wine text is the Fiuza Eminente 2016 Reserva Red from Portugal. Guys, I'm super excited about this wine. When it comes to traditional red wines from Portugal, I think these guys are making some of the most exceptional and well-made wines within the region. This started off as kind of a farm that grew grapes in Portugal, and they were kind of selling them out. But sooner or later they built up and they started making their own wines. Now, years later, they're making some of the best and almost kind of the more complex style red wines within the region. So there's two grapes that are the main base of this wine, and then they're blended with a few others. But the two most important, Touriga Nacional, which is probably Portugal's most royal and most well-known red grape, most known for being from Portugal, and then Cabernet Sauvignon. So this is definitely a very full-bodied and really rich, complex wine, but it has a lot of the similarities, I find, to the big red fruits and the big tannins and the structures of California reds, maybe even Bordeaux's, and things of that nature. And they have that kind of age-worthy style. You definitely needs a couple years to settle in. If you read the review when it gets sent out, or you look up the wine, they do say that it really starts drinking now. 4 years after the wine is actually harvested, it's finally trying to settle in, and I think a little bit more of that terroir and the acidity kind of comes out a little bit more now, which keeps the balance of the wine. I think this is a pour-ready wine. You open it up, enjoy it now. I think it's super delicious, but I don't see there a problem, laying it down for the next 4 or 5 years for some short-term aging as well. Really tasty wine, really cool project from Portugal, and an extreme value. A wine like this will easily drink like double, 3 times, maybe even 4 times the price you're gonna pay. Enjoy.